Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to fix skin color on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7. So look here, skin color is damaged and provide 3 solution. If you want to follow my all solution, I hope you get 100% solution. Open your settings, scroll down, press on to accessibility. Then you get vision and enhancement. Scroll down and showing it to color correction. Make sure to turn off. Okay. Now to fix this problem, go back, click on to color filter. Make sure to turn off. Okay. Now fix this problem. Okay, and the last solution, go to my control center and make sure to turn off eye comfort option. When you follow this method, I hope you get 100% solution. Or if you have any question, let me know in my comment box. Thanks for watching.